Raksha Bandhan was almost here, and Mau was busy preparing colorful Rakis, gifts, and decorations for the special day. Meanwhile, Chau was busy playing superhero. Everywhere he went, things became a little more messy.
My Rockies, they're everywhere!
Mau sighed and sat down to think. Then suddenly, a funny idea popped into her head. The next moment, Mau stood outside with a giant sign that surprised everyone.
Wanted for one day! What? A brother? For one day? Why just one day? That's so cool!
Soon, brothers from all over the neighborhood started lining up to apply for the job.
I'm so excited!
Yeah, let's do this. I'm ready!
Great!
The first candidate
What's your
was a
talent?
cheerful goat
Juggling.
who seemed
I'm the
very
best.
confident.
Juggling? Really? How many can you juggle?
5 balls, no problem.
But the
Gotta
interview
go.
didn't go exactly as
With
planned.
my snack! Hello everyone!
Next came
Watch
a
my
clever
tricks.
monkey who
Okay,
was
I'm
sure he
taking
would
notes.
impress Mau.
First trick, ta-da! Bananas from nowhere. I don't trust this. One more, hooray! Noted.
Then
Hello,
a
friends.
shiny robot
I am here to
arrived,
help.
looking like the
Wow, a
perfect
robot,
brother.
so cool. A robot? I don't trust it.
Mau
No
was
need to worry.
impressed
I am
and
friendly.
gave the robot
See,
a
it's
very
nice.
special title.
Robot, you're the best brother. Wow, thank you, Mau. I'm the best brother. Yay! He deserves it, Chau. Whatever, not fair. Time
Chau
to
couldn't
follow my
believe it.
friends.
He decided to keep a close eye on the new brother. The robot seemed to help with everything,
Let's
and
go
everyone
shopping.
loved him. Watching from a distance, Chau began to feel left out. But then, something
Robot, what's
strange
wrong?
started happening
His
to the
eye is
robot.
flashing and sparks. Is it okay? Something's definitely strange. Robot, wait! What's
Before
wrong?
long, the
Doors!
robot
You
was
must
causing
open doors.
confusion all across the neighborhood.
All doors, open all.
It's not working. Foam
Things
function
became
activated.
even crazier when
Whoa,
foam started
robot,
covering
what are you
everything
doing?
in sight.
I'm covered in foam. Oh no! I mean, hold still. It's in my eyes. Help! Robot, wait up! I'll catch it.
Now
catch
everyone
me.
was racing through
I'm
town
right
trying to
behind
stop the
you.
runaway
Coming in
robot.
fast.
Almost got it.
Just when things
Time
looked
for the
impossible, Chau jumped into
Yes, you
action.
did it.
Moments later, the robot found itself in a very sticky situation. As the excitement settled down, Mau and Chau shared a quiet moment together. Then it was finally
I'm
time
tying
for the
this
Raksha
Rocky for
Bandhan
you.
celebration.
Thank you, Mau. It looks beautiful. It means I'll always protect you.
Chau
Mau,
had
I
one
have a
last
gift
surprise
for
waiting
you.
for Mau.
For me? Thank you, Chau. Oh, it's a toy. I love it.
Everyone laughed together, and Mau realized
We
that
did it,
even
Chau.
with all his silly mistakes, Chau was still the best brother she could ever have. The moral: the people who annoy you the most are often the ones who care about you the most.